model, 65-plate Ford Transit Connect 201.6 Tdci Limited starts runs needs clutch no VAT bargain. Body, blue, panel van. Mileage, 114760. MOT, the 20th of December 2025. Engine, 1560 cc 1.6 TDCi 115 PSC. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Straightforward simple clutch replacement job. The clutch pedal is on the floor and lost fluid, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, aircon, parking sensors, cruise control, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, CAT back in 2019. Cap retail, £5,650 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 0740